Good morning, guys. So it's 10:40 and I just woke up and yeah, still at my brother's place. So I would like to apologize in advance because the video will be late today. Yesterday's video, because I don't have my computer with me, so I'm gonna edit it once I get back home. I don't know exactly when that's gonna be, but I'll let you know on my Twitter. So yeah, gotta get ready and eat something. It was too much alcohol yesterday. I've drank the whole bottle of wine, just to put it out there. The whole bottle of wine. It was rosé, but still. Good morning again. So yeah, I'm on my way home right now. It's heavy rain, so I think it's gonna take me a bit longer than I anticipated to get home because this weather. Yeah, but yesterday was super fun, and we should repeat that again soon, but in a nicer weather, not in a rainy weather, because it was cold. At the end of the night it was super cold, so what else? Look, my brains are empty right now, so I'll talk to you when I get back home, okay? I'll try to edit the video as fast as possible when I get back home, so you will have it as soon as possible, okay? But I know it's gonna take like forever to upload it, so I will let you know how it goes. And yeah, I'm gonna focus on the road right now because it's slippery, the raining is crazy, so you can understand I'm nervous behind the wheel in this weather. So, but it's gonna be one of those relaxing days because it's the rain and it's the day after the party. So you can imagine how it's gonna be. Me and computer all day. So I just got back home and it's lunchtime. So I'm gonna edit the video after the lunch. I'm gonna export all the photos, all the videos I have from my phone and from the camera on my computer, and then it's work time. I'm so tired. One of the things that I bought yesterday was this. The 6th book of Mortal Instruments. City of Heavenly Fire. Now I have the whole collection. And at the end of summer, I've decided I'm gonna buy the whole Maze Runner collection. Those 3 books. Don't ask me the titles, because I don't know. I've decided I'm gonna take another nap now that the lunch is over. And while the video is uploading, I think I can afford one long nap. So yeah. I still have choir practice today, and I still have to do my workout of the day today. I'm gonna be productive, but not just right now. I was sneaking out from the lunch to my room to edit the video, so my mom was kind of mad about it. She didn't know why exactly am I going into the room, but it bothered her. I could saw that. So Again, I'm sorry that yesterday's video is late. Was late. I should talk in the past tense. Well, whatever. So, yeah, but I promise this one will not be late. Well, guys, I'm headed to the choir practice right now. I forgot the camera at home, so I'm filming myself on my phone. Yeah, I mean, it was really late today. When I got home, not only that we had lunch, but we even had visitors from Maribor. And you know, when you have visitors, you have to spend time with them and talk to them and everything. So yeah, it was one of those days again. But I don't know how much I will be able to film after I get back home from the choir. From the choir practice, because the finals of Eurovision Song Contest are gonna be on TV. So yeah, I'm gonna watch that. I'm gonna focus on the driving, because holding the phone and driving is I'm not good at it. Holding the camera and driving, yeah, I can do that, but a phone is a completely different thing. And yeah, well, you know me, lots and lots of problems with easy solutions. I just don't see them yet. Well, I just have to tell, I just got back from the choir practice and Eurovision Song Contest is on, so I'm gonna just tell you the workout, and I'm gonna do it in front of TV. And that is on today's to-do list is 190 squats, 30 push-ups, 3-minute plank, and 125 crunches. So yeah, let's get busy in front of TV. Well, all the performances in the Eurovision Song Contest are done. There are a lot of good songs this year, and I'm not gonna watch the voting in front of TV. I'm gonna look after it here. I'm in the bed because everybody else went to sleep, and well, I decided I can watch that in my room. The question of the day for you guys is, what's your hairstyle? I think you all know mine. Either they're loose or in a ponytail, but mostly everything is back here. So thanks for watching. Thumbs up this video if you like it. Sorry it's a boring video today, but what can you expect? Most of the days are boring. Subscribe if you're new, and good night.